Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, adding a cover to the bed of your truck is gonna double its usefulness. It's gonna protect the contents of your bed, it's gonna make it more aerodynamic, and it's gonna give your truck style points. And if you're looking for the ultimate when it comes to style and quality in a bed cover, you're looking for Rough Country's low-profile, hard trifold cover. Let's go over what's included with the cover. First, we've got our bulkhead seal that will go at the front of the bed by the cab to make sure that we're weather tight. Next up, we've got our rails. Those are gonna mount to the bed sides to secure the cover in place. After that, we've got our drains. These are gonna attach to the rails to channel water up and out of the way. We've got our primary panel mounting hardware, the clamps to secure our rails to the bed sides. We've got our strikers to secure our latches of our cover. We even provide all the necessary tools for install. Installation of this cover is a breeze. If you want to see that, you can click the link below. Once installed, the cover has a nice, well, low profile. Just like the name says, it's sleek and it really adds to the overall look of your truck. The latching system is simple and easy to use. Just give the cord a pull and fold the cover back and out of the way if you want to haul taller cargo. Once you've got it folded up, you can secure it with the attached straps and buckles. And it's gonna stay in place until you're ready to fold it back out, latch it down, and along with your locking tailgate, it's gonna provide complete secure storage for everything in your bed. We offer this cover for most make and models of truck. To find yours, check it out today at roughcountry.com.